The first step is to simply go to this website called imagineanything.ai. I'm gonna leave the link down in this video description, and as you can see here, you can generate free AI images. Now, all we have to do now is simply log in into our account. So it's pretty simple. You're gonna have to use your Google account, and as you can see, we get 10 generations for free. So now, as you can see, we can basically search any images by tags. So if you want, you can download the existing images. So maybe you are making a video or something, you can basically search for specific images and you can simply download them for free. As you can see here, we have a lot of options, and all we have to do is simply click on the download button. But if you want to generate your own images, you're gonna have to simply click on generate images in the top right corner, and here you're gonna be able to simply enter the description prompt. Now, as you can see, we can click on advanced, and here we can basically use different models. We can basically play around with the settings if we want. So here I'm gonna type in something random, dog, and then click on generate. Now all we have to do now is simply wait until this loads up, and then we're gonna be able to download the image. Now I suggest you to enter more details, but as you can see, these images are insane. So we can see that the details in this image is insane, and we only entered this prompt here. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.